Hey guys, welcome back with another brand and exciting strategy actually. So the video that I'm going to share with you in this video actually it is earn $5 to $15 searching on the Google, which is a pretty awesome work from home job that you have never seen before, and I can just show you that how you can make money with this brilliant strategy by searching simply on Google, YouTube or any other platforms right here with this method and this specific strategy. So let's not waste the time and just jump straight into the method and strategy that how it is really working. The first and important thing is that you need to just come to or search on the Google and come to this website freesearch.org. So remember, it is freesearch.org, not freesearch.io. It is .org. So you need to just come to this website freesearch.org. Once you come to this website right here, then you can simply see here that this is a website that you can search on that, and the backside you can earn money from that. So I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can make money, how you can do each and everything, and how you can redeem your payment from this website step by step. So the first thing is that you need to click on this button right here, register. So once you click on that, then you will be redirected to this page right here that you can simply add your name right here, your password and confirm password, and then click I have read and agree to the terms and condition. And the bottom you can simply add or click I'm not a robot. Then you can simply click on the sign up button. Once you click on the sign up button, then you will be redirected to this page right here, and you can see here the icon, profile icon right here, and you can see here your free money actually, or tokens that you have earned right here. So at the first, when you sign up, you will get 25 uh, tokens as a bonus right here. So the first step is that you can simply just click right here and you can simply search it right here. For example, earn money online, you can simply just say like that, and you can simply click on the search button. Once you click on the search button, as you can see here, your bonuses is getting up right here up to 25.169, which is this, and you can simply search anything you want right here. So we can simply go back right here to the main website, and the main website right here, as you can see here, we have just double our money right here. From before that was 25.8, now it is 25.17 tokens right here. So here, instead of research, you can simply search on the YouTube actually by just clicking the YouTube button right here, and you can simply search on the YouTube. If you search on the Google, so you can simply search on the Google whatever the platform you need, and you can simply just add more right here. So now we understand that how basically it is working. So you are allowed to just search up to 30 time on this website for day right here and earn a free tokens right here. So you can see here the icon right here, the profile icon. You can simply click on that, and then you can simply go to the site settings right here, and I will show you the more things right here that how you can do that. And another coolest part is right here that they have a referral program. If you just click on the referral, you will have a special link that you can move and share on social media like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or send by email to anyone right here, or search or share on the Facebook groups. So you can just redirect people to this website. Whenever you redirect, you get the commission from that, okay? Or you will have more bonuses tokens right here. So now it is time that how you can just move, or how you can just simply search, or how you can simply just, for example, set up this account right here. You can also click by my accounts right here, and you will have the option right here, for example, that these are the search engines. You can simply drop in drugs, and you can just simply move or add more tokens or more things right here very easily, and you will have more information right here about the browser, the connect, community, legal term and conditions, and each of everything right here. But we need to understand that how we can make money from that, as I already show you that you can make money from that, and how we can redeem that. That is the most important part right here. So you can also just change search provider, as I told you right here, by just clicking right here, or even clicking on the main page right here. But if you just click on the site settings right here, so you can simply have the option right here. If you scroll down, you will have the option right here, withdraw tokens right here. So basically you need to reach up to 1,000 tokens, and then you can redeem your money actually. And here is the 50 eligibility token is 13. You have total 25 right here, and you can just transfer to saving accounts right here. And the coolest part is here that they will pay you by cryptocurrency, which is the Ethereum right here. So by that, you can simply just move your token to Ethereum, means change into Ethereum. Then from Ethereum, you need to just convert into your real money, and then you can change into your wallet or your bank account right here. So the step is really simple and easy. You just need to add right here, for example, select your account right here. What account is that? For example, saving is that, rewards account is that. As we have now reward account, so we can simply select that one right here. And number of tokens you can just add when you get or reach up to 1,000 tokens. So you can simply add the tokens right here. And wallet address, so you need to have Ethereum wallet. So for that reason, then you can simply change into your bank account or something like that. So for Ethereum wallet, you need to have it, or you need to go to coinbase.com and sign up for a free account, and you will have the Ethereum wallet address on this website, and you can simply have it. Or you can simply go to binance.com. So you can also sign up for a free account right here. You will have the Ethereum, which is really simple. And from these two websites, you can change into your bank account right here. So once you grab your Ethereum wallet from here, then you can simply paste it right here, and then you can click on the submits, and they will just move your tokens to the Ethereum on this website, Coinbase or Binance actually. And then from Binance, you can just move into your uh, wallet or your bank account. So hope you like the method and strategy, and you are interested with that you can take action on the method. If you like it, please hit the like button, comment if you have any question, concern, and can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.